back at you. We got a new addition, people. A little $1,000 Honda Civic. There's not a YouTube video on how to remove this drip rail. I'm going to show you how to do it. First things first, get your trusty, dusty, never rusty, plastic no-mar tool. Alright, I've already removed this side. Someone locked themselves out and they damaged the drip rail, the chrome right through here, as you can see. And I've already removed it. Now this thing goes along the perimeter of the door right here. First things first, you've got a little screw down here. It's a Phillips head screw. Take that out first and start prying up. Now we're going to go to the other side and I'm going to show you how to start this procedure.
Run with me. Not running.
Alright, no-mar tool. Always start down here at the bottom by the front of the door. You see these little blue tangs right here? These are little pins. You got to remove your Phillips head and start up. You work your way up and just start prying. Find your little pin and pry. And keep a little resistance on it. You may break a couple of them, but that's okay. You have to be ginger with the good one. We're not being too ginger here because this one's damaged, of course. And just start popping them off. Sometimes they're going to be a little stubborn, but it is what it is. But anyways, that's how you take them off. Just keep popping them all the way down to the back till you come to the edge. And the back ones are just a little different. But I'm not going to go that far because I'm not going to remove. Well, I guess we're going to. I guess it's good to take it off because I'm going to keep this bottom piece. You got two down here that's just a little different. You got a yellow one and a white one. And I always keep the ones from the junkyard. As you can see, that one just broke. These are old cars. These things are going to be brittle. Dapper Cracker out.